I saw somebody post in one of the Facebook groups in roofing today say, sales can't be taught. He's like, you either have it or you don't. I'm here to bust that myth. And what people think when they say something like that is they think they're referring to like the classic personality type that's associated with salespeople, right? The natural born salesperson. And yes, you can't teach somebody a personality type, but sales is not just your personality. Like sales at the end of the day is fundamentally just knowing exactly what to say to bring a customer from prospect to buyer. And all that is words. It's just walking around talking to people. Anybody can do that. You can be taught. And I teach people every single year. I have thousands of clients who are contractors and salespeople. That's exactly what I do. So don't let somebody say like, oh, you're not cut out for it. That's bullshit. It's just learning what to say. And if you're struggling with your word tracks and you don't have a good pitch or a good script or a good close, holler at me. That's what my training programs do.